everyone, Texas Native 00 here. I've got a brand new soft top for my 95 YJ that I wanted to show you. This is my first replacement soft top for this vehicle. The original one finally gave up the ghost after 25 years, so I was looking for a replacement and I found this QuadraTec soft top for about $300. Now, I bought this myself. This is not a paid ad or anything like that. If you want to support me and the channel, you can visit our website at taylortacticalsupply.com. But anyways, I'm on a budget like most of you are, so best top is a little bit more expensive, probably about double, but I really can't tell the difference between those two and this one since I didn't buy the best top. I got the QuadraTop. But anyways, as you can see, I went with the original color. This is the 95 Rio Grande. It's a 4-cylinder, virtually no power whatsoever. But I went with the spice color because I think it really looks a lot better. I don't like the black. Plus, I'm in Texas. It's really, really hot right now, and it's always hot during the summer. This thing doesn't have air conditioning, so I went with that. There's another option for it. You can do tinted windows. I went with just clear windows because I really don't use the soft top that much unless it's raining or freezing cold, so I really don't need the tinted windows. My original hardware for mounting the soft top was still in really good shape, so I went ahead and stuck with that. I didn't have to replace any of the hardware whatsoever. This is my second shipment from QuadraTop, if you will. The first version of this top was sent to me, and the buttons, the snap right here on the back near the driver's window and the passenger window both broke off after installing, and all I did was gingerly touch it, if you will, and the snap just broke right off. I called them up on the phone. They were really quick to send me a replacement and a return label for this one. So once I got this one in, I tried it, fit it on the car, and then made sure everything worked, all the windows were good and everything, and then I rolled up all the other parts for the broken one and sent it back to them with their RMA number. Well, let's take a closer look at this soft top. So being this is a 4-cylinder engine, like I said, it doesn't have much speed. I actually towed it out here behind my truck, and I got up to about 70 to 75 miles an hour. I didn't see any excessive flapping of the top or the windows or anything like that. It looked pretty close to the original soft top, which I drug up to Colorado last year with the family, and I really didn't see much difference in that, the way it towed. The one thing I did notice was, like I said just a second ago, the snaps were a little bit weak, I guess. So right here, this first snap is what broke. So this portion right here stayed to this, anchored on my hardware, and then it did it on the other one. And I swear to God, all I did was this, and it popped off and broke. So after being dragged out here at 70 miles an hour, both sides, the snaps are still in place. The fitment on the front seems to be really, really nice. And the back here, we're gonna snap that back while we're at it. Back here on our back windows, these were incredibly easy to put on. They're actually a little bit more easier than the original ones. I did notice a little bit of stretching on the seams on this right-hand window. And I'm not sure if it had something to do with my hardware or not, because like I said, I tried the other window from the one I'm returning to and this one, and they both seem to fit the exact same way. As long as you follow the instructions on the method on how to put them in the little rails, the keepers down here and the front ones in that order, it goes on pretty easy. The back window was super easy to put on as well. And my little crossbar right here, my little weather stripping bar, popped right in on the little, I guess it's the little guide channel that it fits in. So remember, all my hardware is the original. This is the original top right here. Comparing this to the QuadraTec top, this does seem more sturdy. And, you know, I'm pretty sure that's the way it is. Let's take a look at the door over here and you can see. So this is the material, basically. The hardest thing to putting this together was these friggin' windows. And stretching these bad boys was incredibly hard. If you follow the instructions, you start here at this back top window, then go down to this one, and then you get this front portion in here, which was a major booger bear. I had to have help to get that in there. And then the last one was right here. This one actually felt like popping on a tire on a mountain bike after changing your spare tire out. Stretching this stuff right here, trying to get it on the Velcro, was also quite difficult. However, it's doable. And I did this in the heat, so it was probably about 95, 98 degrees outside when I did this. I heated them up real good and then went inside because I was sweating like crazy. These windows, the zippers move really, really nice, really fast, really great. I like that a lot. And I think what the coolest thing is, having new windows. My old windows were so scratched up and dirty and nasty that it was just hard to see out of when we used them, and I rarely used them. Right here, when you close the door, I got a little bit of weather stripping that's sticking out right there. And granted, like I said, this is my first new top, so I can't say much about it. When you go to close it, you really have to slam it, otherwise the weather stripping gets caught up right there. So going around to the other side, the passenger side door is very similar to this, but a little bit harder. So it kind of sticks right there, and if you don't slam it hard, I slammed it hard and it still got caught, so I kind of pushed it in like that. I think over time it'll probably settle and maybe fit a little better. But so far, you know, for the cost of 300 bucks compared to the others that are out there, I've been pretty happy with it. And, you know, I wasn't sure what to expect when I hauled it out here, you know, at highway speeds, if the top was going to come loose or something like that. But in case you're looking for an inexpensive top, I'm pretty happy with it. And with the new plastic and everything, the kids say it's got that new car smell, Dad. New car smell. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And don't forget to come over and visit me, Texas Native 00, and Nick Taylor 00 on gunstreamer.com. It's a brand new video hosting website that's supposed to be a little bit more, how should we say, gun shooter friendly than YouTube. So come on over and visit us over there. There's a whole bunch of YouTubers that are moving over to gunstreamer.com. It's a free hosting website, just like YouTube. You just get up there and load your stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps some people looking to buy a soft top.